When I look at number 1, I know that it's going to be easier to deal with the 7/9 and the 2/3 first, because 7/9 and 3 go together for 9 as a least common denominator. So I have 7/9 minus, and 3 goes into 9 3 times. So I multiply 2 by 3 and I get 6. And that equals 1/9. Now I'm going to deal with the 1/9 minus 1/2. I'll convert those both to 18ths. 9 goes into 18 twice. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 goes into 18 9 times. 9 times 1 is 9. 2 minus 9 is negative 7/18. Looking at number 2, when I divide fractions, I keep the first one, change it to multiplication, and then reciprocate the second one. So I've got 9/14 times 2/15. When I get to multiplication, it's all about cancellations. So 2 goes into 2 once, it goes into 14 7 times. 3 goes into 9 3 times. 3 goes into 15 5 times. 3 times 1 is 3. 7 times 5 is 35. Very simple problems. Number 3, I've got an equation, so I've got 8/5 equals negative 2v. Now to get to get v by itself, I'm going to divide by negative 2. I'm going to take this whole thing and divide it by negative 2. So what my problem is I've got 8/5 divided by negative 2. I'll make that negative 2 into a fraction, and then since it's division, I'll reciprocate it, so I'll have 8/5 times 1/2, and that's negative, which means my answer is going to be negative 2, so I'll just put that negative sign right there. Now I'll go for cancels. 2 goes into that once, it goes into that 4 times. That's all I can cancel. I've got negative 4/5. Negative 4/5 equals v.